Hello everyone and welcome to Station. I have been so excited to do this follow-up tour around the house because boy, a lot has happened since last time we did this walk around. Right now we are standing in the big atrium, and this is one of the biggest architectural changes that we have made in the building. So if we look up, then we can see we have actually created holes in the entire building and removed all of the floors all the way up to the top floor so that we can see everything that's going on in the house just upon entering from the courtyard. So out here in the broad hall areas, here you can sit and you can talk and you can stop and chat with the passers-by, and you're always welcome to ask questions. But if you really need to focus deeply, then you can move into here, and where we have the workstations, where you can sit with your laptop, you can sit with your drawings and your models, and then you can work in a different mode in here. Okay, now I'm actually really looking forward to showing you this, because this room was locked the entire time since we took over the station in 2016. But after the architects, they started moving around and opening up the different areas of the building, then we were able to, for the first time, access this room, and this is what we found. So this used to be a little cell where you could sit and wait, and the door would be locked until the policeman came and took you for a mugshot. And in 1 second I will show you where the mugshots in this police station were taken. So now we're in the atelier, and this is where the old mugshots used to be taken. So for our big opening on October 9th, we were actually planning to have all of you coming over to have your mugshot taken. But due to the coronavirus, we are forced to keep this as a virtual event. So we invite you therefore to stop over at any other day during the year, and we would be happy to take a photo of you for the collection. Now we are at the playground, and this is at the very top floor of the old police station, where we can have an overlook of the entire Frederikbergs rooftop view. Here is a place for introspection, but also for coming together in a more relaxed setting. So these chairs are both for chilling out, and we have the little chairs for sitting and watching talks, watching lectures that we are hosting for each other. And then we have the yoga mats, because being creative and coming up with new ideas is not always about sitting and talking to each other or drawing and jotting down on post-its. It's also about sometimes spending some time looking inwards and consulting yourself. So we've created a room up here for doing that exactly. Now we are in the apartment, and this room is actually made because a lot of you students who we interviewed and who was participating in all the co-creating processes, they said, we need more meeting rooms that we can book not just for 1 hour or 2 hours or 4 hours, but which we can book for days and days when we're working on deadlines or startup pitch, or we have a huge conference or event coming up, where we can just have a little fortress and work until white smoke is coming out of the windows. So therefore we have made this apartment, which is equipped with a large dining and working table, and we have a kitchen where you can make your coffee and store your food. And we even have a little day bed where you are welcome to take a nap. Or you can just sit here and enjoy the view.